Hey guys. Okay, in this video we will continue with the step-by-step electrical installation of this residence. In the first video, I showed you how the wires from the energy meter go through the ground until they reach the distribution board. I also showed how to assemble the distribution board and how to complete the electrical installation of the lighting circuit in this residence. Now in this video I will finish with the lighting circuit that serves the bedrooms, bathroom, and laundry area. In this distribution board, we already have a phase coming out of this circuit breaker, which is from the first lighting circuit that was made in the previous video, which is for the lamp in the living room, garage, and kitchen. So let's leave with a phase wire from this other circuit breaker, which is from the second lighting circuit that is for the lamps in the bedrooms, bathroom, and laundry area. Remembering that the colors of the phase, neutral, and earth wires will depend on your region. I am using the color of the live wire in red, and the neutral in black, and the ground in green. This is important to check in the electrical installation. So let's go to the ceiling box in the hallway. Here we can see the two conduits that come out with the lighting circuit. This conduit leaves with the live and neutral wire with the first lighting circuit, and this other conduit goes with the second lighting circuit. In this box on the hallway ceiling, we connect the black neutral wire to this lamp and take the red phase to the switch. We connect the phase to the switch in the hallway and return the phase to the lamp in the hallway. Now from this ceiling box, we will take the phase and neutral to the switch and lamp in this room. Then we go back through this ceiling box in the hallway and take it to the lamp in the other room and then to the bathroom. I'm now going to take the last live and neutral wire from this ceiling box. So we install a connector on the live wires and neutral wires to be able to connect the wires. From the bathroom, we will take the phase and neutral wires to the last lamp in this residence, which is the lamp in the service area. We've finished with the lighting circuit. Now let's go back to the distribution board to make the socket circuit. Now let's make the socket circuit. Let's leave this third circuit breaker with the phase wire. We will also leave with the neutral wire from the neutral bus and the ground wire from the earth bus. Let's leave the three wires through this conduit from the board that leads to the box on the ceiling of the room. In this box on the ceiling of the room, we arrive with the phase, neutral, and earth wires. Let's take these three wires to the other box on the ceiling of the room. Let's connect these three sockets. Let's connect these three sockets that are close to the television and these two sockets that are close to the sofa. In this box, we take the three wires to the sockets. We connect the three wires to this socket and take the other wires to the socket on the left. Then we go back and take the three wires to the sockets on the right and install a connector on the live, neutral, and ground wires to be able to connect with the cables. Now we go back to the ceiling box so we can take the three wires to the socket on the other wall. Let's now go to the first box on the ceiling of the room, so we can take the 3 wires to the socket in the garage. These 3 wires will first go through the kitchen ceiling box, then go to the garage ceiling box, and then go to the outlet. We go back to the distribution board again, and now we are going to leave with 1 more phase wire from this 3rd circuit breaker and 1 neutral wire from the neutral bus and 1 ground wire from the earth bus. But now we are going to take these 3 wires passing through this other conduit, which leads to the bedrooms and bathroom. In the hallway ceiling box, we take the 3 wires to the first room. In this room, we will connect 3 sockets, 2 sockets on the side of the bed and another socket on the other wall. Then we'll go back to the hallway ceiling box to take these 3 wires to the other room. Let's take the last 3 wires from this box from the hallway ceiling to take it to the bathroom. So on each wire we will install a connector to be able to complete this connection. With this last socket in the bathroom, we finish this socket circuit, and in the next video, we will finish with the other circuits in this table, which are for the sockets in the kitchen, bathroom, and laundry area. If this video helped you in any way, leave a like, subscribe to the channel so you can follow the next videos. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.